Okay, so this is chapter 5.3, question 5, which is page 57 of the workbook. Okay, of the workbook. All right, so Blaine and Stacy create spinners about places to live. They spin each spinner once. So we have a spinner that has 3, which has house, apartment, condominium. Then we have a spinner that has different places. So that has Vancouver, Brandon, Winnipeg, Edmonton, Calgary, Saskatoon, Regina, and Victoria. All right, so now, A, create a table to show the sample space. All right, let's make the spinner with the type of house on the side here. So let's have house and condo and apartment. I'm just going to abbreviate them. There's our type of house right there. Okay, and then the place, just kind of, let's see, we're going to be creative here. We're going to do some abbreviations as best we can. So let's start with Calgary, because that's where we're living. We have Calgary. We have Saskatoon. We have Regina. We have Victoria. I'll do VI for Victoria. I'll do VA for Vancouver. B for Brandon, Manitoba. W for Winnipeg, and E for Edmonton. All right, so that's what the empty table is going to look like. Okay, so you can pause the video here to fill it in. I'm going to start with the house, the type of housing, and then I'm going to work with the other side. So this first part is going to be an H for house and then a CA for Calgary. We have H for house and S for Saskatoon. H for house and then R. H for house. VI for Victoria, H for house. VA for Vancouver, H for house. And then a B for Brandon, H for house. And then a W for Winnipeg, H for house. And then an E for Edmonton. That concludes the house in these different cities. Okay. All right, continue on. Okay, so this is what your finished table should look like. Have a look. So we have the house row, we have the condo row, and we have the apartment row. And they all correspond to Calgary, Saskatoon, Regina, Victoria, Vancouver, Brandon, Winnipeg, and Edmonton. So that satisfies question A. That's question A. Now B, how many possible outcomes are there? So really we just got to count. We just got to count them. So we can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, or we can just do simple multiplication. We have 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 times 8 for this one, because there's 8 over here, and there's 3 times 3 over here. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 possible outcomes. Okay, probability time. So now, reminder, we have 24 possible outcomes, 24. Okay, what is the probability of an apartment in Victoria? An apartment in Victoria. Go back. An apartment, so this is the apartment section right here in Victoria. Okay, there's only one apartment in Victoria out of the 24 possible outcomes. So the probability of an apartment in Victoria is actually 1 over 24. Okay, and then the next one, what is the probability of a house or a condo in Alberta? What? Alberta, but wait, Alberta's a province. Okay, let's look at that. Alberta's a province. Now, looking at our table, what cities are in Alberta? What cities are in Alberta? So if we're looking over here, Calgary, Saskatoon, no. Regina, no. Victoria, no. Vancouver, no. Brandon, no. Winnipeg, no. Edmonton. So that's 2. Okay, so there's 2 cities in Alberta, right? So, and it has to be a house or a condo. So we got to look at both. So all the houses and condos in Alberta. So pretty much all the houses and condos in Edmonton or Calgary. Okay, houses and condos in Edmonton or Calgary. So I'm just going to use a little green action here. Let's pull up. We're going to be looking in this column here and right here in this column. And we're only looking at the houses in Calgary and the condos in Calgary and the houses in Edmonton and the condos in Edmonton. Here's a house in Calgary. Here's a house. Here's a condo in Calgary. Here is a house in Edmonton, and here's a condo in Edmonton. Okay, all right. And we have 24 possible outcomes. So the probability of a house or condo in Alberta, it's Calgary, that's Edmonton. Okay. Oh, so there's 24 possible outcomes. And look again. How many houses and condos are there in Calgary, and how many houses and condos are there in Edmonton? I'll let you figure that part out. Okay, it's just a matter of counting, so you get to finish this particular question.